Hi everyone. This video is going to walk you through how to add and subtract fractions. Let's start with an example. 3/5 minus 7/10. Now, anytime you're adding and subtracting fractions, you need a common denominator. Now, a common denominator is when you take the two numbers in the denominators and you find the least common multiple, or the number that both of those two numbers can divide into. And you want that number to be the smallest one. So in this case, our common denominator is the number 10. The second fraction already has denominator 10, so I don't have to change that one at all. The first denominator is a 5. So in order to change that 5 to a 10, we're going to multiply the top and bottom by 2, because 2 times 5 is 10. 2 over 2 is just another version of the number 1. So you're not really changing the value of 3/5 by calling it 6/10. You're just changing the way that it looks so that it has the same denominator as the second fraction. So now that these two fractions have the same denominator, you can just create one fraction that has denominator 10, and look at the top, 6 minus 7, which is -1. So 3/5 minus 7/10 is -1/10. Here we have 1 over 8 plus 2 over 7. This common denominator, let's think. What is the smallest number that both 8 and 7 can divide into? Think about the multiples of 8. That would be 8, 16, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, and so on. What about multiples of 7? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. Oh, look at that! 56, that just appeared on both lists, 56 and 56. That means that the common denominator is going to be 56. Okay, so let's see, how can I get 8 to look like 56? We're going to multiply by 7 over 7, and 7 we're going to multiply by 8 over 8. So remember that 7 over 7 is just another version of the number 1, and so is 8 over 8. We're not changing the value of these fractions, just the way that they look. So we're going to get 7 over 56 and 16 over 56. Now that they have the same denominator, we can create one fraction, and 7 plus 16 is 23. So the answer here would be 23 over 56. Okay, so anytime you're struggling to find the common denominator, just make a list of all your multiples of the denominators that you already have. Okay, everyone, good luck.